Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that programming languages which supports artificial intelligence. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in artificial intelligence and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Artificial intelligence or AI is an essential element of many software development projects that allows developers to create software that can perceive, learn, reason and solve problems, much in the way a human mind operates. Learning how to apply artificial intelligence is critical for many job roles, especially for those interested in pursuing a career in programming. So now we shall discuss about the important or the best programming languages for AI. First one is the Python. Friend, as a programming industry standard with a mature code base, Python is compelling and widely used language across many programming fields. It's considered a great beginner language. Many developers learn Python as one of their first programming languages. As such, there is a large developer community built around coding for AI focused applications. Next is the Java. Java is incredibly powerful language used across many software development contexts. It's especially prevalent in the mobile application space where many applications are taking advantage of artificial intelligence features. Java is simple to use and debug, and it's great for multi-platform deployments with its write once run anywhere model, making it a great language for enterprise level software applications, neural networks and artificial intelligence platforms. Next is the C++. C++ is a popular programming language known and loved for its speed and efficiency. It executes code quickly, making it an excellent choice for machine learning and neural network applications. Many AI focused applications are relatively complex, so using an efficient programming language like C++ can help create programs that run exceptionally well. Next is the JavaScript. According to GitHub's ranking, JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. That shouldn't come as a surprise since it's a significant contributor to the modern web, responsible for powering much of the interactivity found in the websites we use every day. It's a reliable option for any web developer because it's relatively easy to learn and is a promising choice for beginners learning AI or general web development. Next is the Julia. Many programming applications require two or more programming languages, one with high performance C++ and one that makes programming less complex. While this process works, it also produces a push and pull between two concepts. Beyond this, many programming languages have decades of design and building behind them. This can be beneficial in some ways, but it can also lead to messy issues over time. Conceived in 2009 at MIT, Julia aimed to fix some of these problems. The first version of Julia was officially introduced to the programming space in 2018 and has steadily been gaining popularity ever since. According to HBC Wire, the number of downloads for the language grew by 87% from 2020 to 2021. Next is the Lisp. Lisp is a widely used in artificial intelligence development. It's the second oldest programming language with a strong history of providing dynamic and custom solutions for programming challenges. The progress, development and evolution of Lisp is closely related to the early progress and development of AI. Lisp is not the most frequently used AI programming language in a modern context, but that doesn't mean it's not used at all. While it may not be as common as some of the other language mentioned so far or discussed, learning Lisp can help you understand artificial intelligence more deeply and thoroughly, as it enables rapid prototyping and shines at handling symbolic information and list. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.